On a stormy evening in November 2018, a poor widow named Siriyawathi was closing her tiny grocery shop in a village near the Mahaweli River. Standing alone in the pouring rain was a lost European traveler named David. His phone was dead. He had missed the last bus and he had nowhere to go. Although she couldn't speak English, Siriyawathi spoke the universal language of kindness. She took David into her humble home, gave him her late husband's clothes, cooked him a simple meal, and even gave him only bed. The next morning, David tried to pay her, but she smiled and refused. 5 years later, David returned to Sri Lanka. He found Siriyawathi living in poverty and poor health. Grateful for the compassion she had shown a complete stranger, he paid for her medical treatment, built her a new home, and helped her son start a business. One act of kindness changed two lives forever, proving that the humanity is the greatest gift anyone can give.